Hey everyone, welcome back to Xalgord. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Bug Bounty Recon, with a special focus on horizontal enumeration. Whether you're a seasoned bug bounty hunter or just getting started, this guide will help you uncover hidden domains, IP ranges,
and potential vulnerabilities.
Alright, so what exactly is horizontal enumeration? Think of the internet as a vast ocean and each organization as an island. Horizontal enumeration is like sailing around these islands to map out their IP addresses, domains, and more. It's all about exploring the digital landscape of an organization to find valuable information. Let's talk about discovering the IP space of an organization. Every organization, big or small, has a unique digital fingerprint known as an Autonomous System Number, or ASN. This is like an address that helps computers find each other on the internet.
We know each other. He's a friend from work.
Let's use Apple Inc. as an example. By finding their ASN, we can uncover their IP ranges. To do this, we can use a website called bgp.he.net. It's a great tool to look up ASNs and find the associated IP ranges. This command queries the WHOIS server for Apple's ASN, which is AS7114, and extracts the IP ranges using grep and unique. Next, we have the WHOIS tool. Think of WHOIS as a big phone book for the internet. It contains details about domain names, IP addresses, and the organizations that own them. By querying WHOIS databases, we can discover associated domains and even company acquisitions. A fantastic source for this is WhoisXMLAPI. This site provides a ton of related domains and acquisitions based on WHOIS records. Signing up gives you 500 free credits monthly, which is pretty awesome for starting out. Another great tool is Whoxy. It's got a massive database of WHOIS records, making it perfect for reverse WHOIS lookups based on company names, registrant emails, or owner names. However, keep in mind that Whoxy is a paid service. To use Whoxy effectively, there's a command line tool called WHOXY. This tool helps you perform reverse WHOIS lookups quickly and efficiently. And let's not forget Crunchbase. It's an excellent resource for finding company acquisitions, although it requires a paid subscription for full access. The trial version, however, still provides some valuable insights. Now let's dive into PTR Records, also known as reverse DNS. This is like looking up a phone number to find out who it belongs to, but for IP addresses and domain names. When you know the IP ranges of an organization, you can perform reverse DNS queries to discover valid hosts. To do this, we use a tool called DNSX. It helps us streamline the process of reverse DNS lookups. This command expands the given IP range into individual IP addresses and then performs reverse DNS lookups to find associated domain names. Now let's talk about those tiny icons you see on browser tabs, Favicons. These little images can be a goldmine of information. For example, visit a site like Microsoft.com, view the source code, and find the keyword Favicon. You'll see a link to the Favicon file. By running the MurMurHash tool, you can generate a unique hash for this Favicon. This unique hash can then be used to query platforms like Shodan. For instance, searching Shodan with hefavicon.hash can reveal numerous assets and hosts associated with the organization. There's a tool called Gsec that can generate a list of domains related to your target. This tool will generate a file with all related domains, making your recon process even more efficient. And that's it. We've covered the essentials of horizontal enumeration. By using these tools and techniques, you can uncover hidden gems and potential vulnerabilities within an organization's digital footprint. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth content. Until next time, happy hunting.